campus really is bustling with a lot of good, positive energy. And I'm very hopeful my daughter is going to have the best of her time here. And this particular place is going to make my daughter a more confident and a more mature and a very successful person. Thank you. Thank you for being what you are and what you are giving. Thank you very much.
I'm really looking forward to my son being here. And I'm very sure that he's really going to do us proud, because his faculty, I remember when I came here the first time, I bombarded them with questions. Today when I see parents around me asking so many questions, I think I'm the only parent who's very relaxed because I have all the answers. None of them cringed or frowned. They had all the answers, and they really made me feel at home. Not to mention students who I was stopping and speaking with the last time that I was here, and they very happily and merrily answered all the questions and rest assured me that everything is going to be fine. So I think next 4 years is going to be learning for my son, and a very silent and happy mother sitting by the side and watching him grow into someone successful, I hope. So thank you so much for the warmth that you've given us when we came here. Thank you.